Hey guys, open the door. We came for ground floor. Hey guys, we are go outside. Come on. You can see like it's so greenery, so beautiful greenery here. This is the play area. See guys, we are in the 4th floor. See guys, your swimming pool is there. The pool is there. You have the steps. The pool. See guys, we are going down. Opening the gate. We are road crossing now. The road cross. We are going for. You can see the cherry blossom. Guys, we must road cross now. We have a station. We go for entering the station. We must press the button. We must road now. We must beep. We must road cross in the beep. You can see. If we must be entering the Auburn station, we must pass. See now. See. Vegetable shop in the. Let's see. See, we are entering the Woolies. We want to go Woolies. We buying the milk. We just go. You can see the welcome from here. You can see guys the vegetable section. In the we can see like hey guys, we seeing the Woolies. We have the Indian section also. You can see the chaat masala, the Indian brands are there in here. You can see the Indian brands are there. This one all of Indian brands. This in Woolies we have the in the side in the section the Indian section. You can see the thumbs up, Red Label, the Indian brand, all Indian brand. They have the Indian section the beside. You can see. This one is on the Woolies right section. You have the Indian section. In the milk section. Yes. Bought the milk, guys. You can see we bought the milk. See, can go. But the chips, we bought the chips. We must own service, we must pay here. Here, we must have the pay. We got the donkey. Here. First we have a receipt. ML. Here is sitting. We got the mail and chips. We go back to home. Come on, guys. We're having on the left side the alley. You can see the alley. Come on, we walk to home. I like dogs so much. Yeah, we are passing. Go from here also. I'll pass. We'll be backing with him. Inside cellar. You go from inside the cellar. We are open with the key. He opened. We go from here. See guys, we came back home. Okay. With lift key. Guys, the lift is came. So guys, we can much time, we can much walk. Thank you so much.